When I was younger, life was simple. Work, jiu-jitsu, pushing myself every day. I thought training harder would always keep me at my peak. But here's the truth. Hard training isn't enough. In my 40s, recovery slowed, energy dipped, focus slipped. I just started thinking, this must be aging. Then I found Biopeak. They didn't treat me like a case, they treated me like an athlete. First a deep discovery session, then precision health mapping powered by science and the latest and greatest tech. That's when I saw what I had been missing. My glucose wasn't recovering after training. Low vitamin D was slowing my muscle repair, sleep cycles out of sync, early muscle loss I couldn't see in the mirror. That's when it clicked. I wasn't overtraining, I was under recovering. Biopeak uncovered my unique health insights, like how my family history was shaping future risks, and how my systems and organs were interacting in ways no standard checkup had ever shown me. From there came a new playbook designed only for me. Shift workouts from late night to midday, align meals with my glucose data, supports my mitochondria, recovery and rest days with therapies to help my cells regenerate, not just push through. With a health manager by my side and a team that kept optimizing every detail, it felt like having my own personal coaching staff for the first time. The result was sharper focus, faster recovery, and more energy to train, travel, and run my business. That was my unlock. It wasn't about training harder, it was about training smarter. Now I train smarter, recover faster, and live without any compromise. Biopeak helped me detect what was holding me back, optimize my training and recovery, and restore my performance at a cellular level. For me, Biopeak isn't about fixing problems. It's about building a lifestyle that lets me live limitless today and for decades to come.